Hi guys, welcome to Sharon's Tutorials. Let's say for example you're on YouTube, you're leaving a comment on a really good video and you want to put an emoji in there. There's actually a couple of ways of doing this. The first way of doing it is to right click your mouse anywhere on the Windows taskbar and go to Show Touch Keyboard button. And this keyboard button appears in the bottom right corner here. So anytime you want to insert an emoji, click on the keyboard button and the keyboard pops up. To get to the emojis, go to the left of the spacebar here, click on there and the emojis will appear, and then you just choose whichever emoji you want to use. If you click on the keyboard icon in the top left here, it opens a few different options to view the keyboard. So you can have it larger here, you can have it as a floating square here. So there's all these different options for you to view it how you want it. So that's the first way, to right click on the taskbar at the bottom and toggle between the Show Touch Keyboard button to switch on and off. The second way is the quickest way, and that's to use the keyboard shortcuts. So you can either use the Windows key and the semicolon, or the Windows key and full stop. Both of those will bring up the emoji keyboard for you to use on your PC. So that's it, real quick tip for you today. Hope you find it helpful. Click the thumbs up if you did, and until next time, happy learning.